Welcome students. In this video, we will be discussing the time and space complexity analysis of deleting a node in circular linked list. Already the implementation of the concept is completed. Now let us just discuss about we will be discussing about the time and space complexity of deleting a node in circular linked list, and also count nodes in circular linked list, counting number of nodes in circular linked list. Let us finish with the time and space complexity analysis of counting node in circular linked list. Then we will move to deleting a node. For counting the node, let us take the function as time function t of n, and the 19th line, it will be 1 unit of time will be taken. 20th line, it will be taking 1 unit time, and this is a block which is going to repeat again. It's a loop block. Okay, so it will be repeated again and again. So how many times it will be repeating? Temp not equal to first, right? How many times this loop is going to run? We will check that with the diagram. Actually, we have the circular linked list. Initially, temp will start from first node. When it is starting with first node, yes, the loop block will be do block will execute. Then you move to next node, loop executed. But from here only condition start checking. Okay, after moving to second node only condition will start checking. So here condition will be checking. Then the next one, here also condition will be checked. Here also condition. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here condition will be checked. Then coming again to the first node, again condition will be checked. So totally every node is checked once. Starting from second node, again coming back to the first node, and you're checking. Totally n checking will happen. N checking. So while condition, it will be executed for n time. Do block will be executed for first node initially, then for second node, third node, fourth node, up to fifth node, do block will be executed. So condition also n time. Inside body part is also n time. Okay, so here the time complexity. So for checking this condition, it will be taking n unit, because n time the same line will be checked. Body part also n time it will be executed. So n unit for this count plus plus, and then it is n unit for temp equal to temp of next. It is n unit for temp equal to temp of next. So finally, for returning the value of count, it will take 1 unit of time again. So overall it is like 3n plus 3 is the time taken. So t of n is equal to 3 multiplied by n plus 3. So 3n plus 3 is a polynomial equation that we have, whereas in 3n plus 3 it's a linear polynomial equation. That's a linear equation. So the time complexity of counting node in circular linked list can be called as order of n time complexity, which is linear time complexity. Right? Fine. So now we will now come here. So also, okay, time complexity is fine here, but what about the space complexity? Space complexity, I think we have taken 3 different blocks. One is first, other one is temp, the other one is count. Only 3 blocks we have taken. So 3 block is a constant space, right? 3 block, whatever the input might be, whatever the value of n might be, but we will be taking only 3 block. Okay, it is not going to change with respect to input. So it is called as constant space. When something is not changing with respect to input, then it is called as constant. Either it is time or space. If time is not changing with respect to input change, then it is constant time. If space is not getting changed with respect to input change, then it is called as constant space. If space is not getting changed. So the space complexity of this, okay, space complexity of the concept is equal to order of 1. Constant space. Now let us discuss the time and space complexity analysis of delete node, before which we will just have a note here that time complexity of counting nodes in circular linked list is order of n. Okay, time complexity of counting nodes. Then the space complexity of counting nodes. Okay, space complexity of counting nodes in circular linked list. In circular linked list is order of 1. It's constant space. Okay, fine. Similarly, we will also try to find the time and space complexity analysis of delete node CLL. Okay, so let us take this as T of n, time function T of n. Here coming to if condition, okay, how many times this condition will be, how many operation here? Greater than or equal to is one operation, less than or equal to is one operation, logical and is the third operation. So for 3 operation it will be taking 3 unit. For if it is 1 condition, 1 unit, but 3 condition, 3 operations, so 3 unit. Then this if condition, for every line we will just specify the unit time taken. This is only 1 condition here, so only 1 unit time will be taken here. Here temp equal to first, it will be taking 1 unit time. Coming here to this while loop, I think this while loop is not going to execute for only 1 time. It will be executed for more than 1. We have to find how many times it is going to execute. What is the condition? Temp of next not equal to first. So we will go here to the exactly to the linked list. Yes. So initially temp will start from first node. Temp of next equal to not equal to first. Condition will be checked. Second node, yes, condition will be checked. True. Third node, condition will be checked. Sorry, condition, yes, condition true. Because temp of next not equal to first. So 3 times so far. After coming to 4th node also it will be checked true. I reach 5th node. 5th node also it will be checked, but it becomes false because here temp of next is actually equal to first. So how many times it is being checked? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it is checked. So for 5 times, 1 time it is getting false. Last time it is false, so it will not enter into. So body part only 4 times, condition checking 5 times. So while loop, this checking part will happen, execute for n time, because n unit, it will take n unit time because n time it is executed. Condition checked for n unit, so body part only n minus 1, right? Because in n condition that you have checked, one condition definitely will be evaluated to false to stop the process. So when it is evaluated to false, you cannot enter inside. So in n comparison, only for n minus 1 time you could have entered. So n minus 1 unit time will be taken by this inner body part statement. Coming out of while loop, this statement it will be taking 1 unit time. Free function is going to take 1 unit time. And first is equal to temp of next will be taking 1 unit time. Now coming here to else part. Taking 2 pointers, 2 unit time. P equal to first, 1 unit time. Q equal to null, 1 unit time. Now coming to this loop, how many times this loop will be running? Maximum. What can be the maximum value of position? Maximum value of position can be the length of the linked list. Length of the linked list means total number of node, right? Total number of node is represented by n already. So the maximum value of position can be equal to n. So I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1. So how many time loop will be running? This loop will be running for exactly, successfully it will be running for n minus 1 time. Successfully n minus 1, one unsuccessful will be added. So n minus 1 plus 1 it will be n. So initialization part always 1 time it will be executed, so 1 unit. Condition part is going to be executed for n times, so n unit. N minus 1 successful checking and 1 unsuccessful, so totally n. If condition is checked for n time, then definitely incrementation also for n time, so that also will be taking n unit. If condition is checked for n unit, definitely body part n minus 1 time. So n minus 1 unit. Second line also will be taking n minus 1 unit. Then Q of next equal to P of next will be taking 1 unit. And free of P will be taking 1 unit. Okay, fine. Finally, this return first also will be taking 1 unit. Now, the two time complexities, there are two time complexities that we are going to find. One is for deleting the head node, the other one is for deleting all the other elements. So, for deleting the first head node, what is going to be the time complexity? Here in circular linked list. Definitely, if this condition is true only, you could have entered inside. So, 3 unit for that. And for checking this condition, 1 unit, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 again plus 3, 7. Totally 7 unit plus n. N we have only 2n available, so it is 7 plus 2n. So the equation for deleting head node is equal to T of n is equal to, it is 2n plus 7. 2n plus 7. So coming to the, and also sorry, one more 1 unit have to be added for returning first because it's outside if. Okay, so even if condition is working or else condition is working, this return statement will be working if you enter into else block or even into else block, if block or else block, but this return statement will be executing. So one more unit time we have to add, so 2n plus 8. 2n plus 8 is a linear equation. So the time complexity for deleting the head node, okay, so time complexity of deleting head node from circular linked list is order of n. But one thing that we want to do, we want to compare this time complexity with the time complexity of deleting a head node in a linear linked list instead of circular. In linear linked list, we have seen in the time and space complexity analysis that deleting node from a linear linked list, that is deleting a head node, is actually order of 1 time complexity. That's constant time. But here in circular linked list, it is order of n. Why is it taking order of n? Because we wanted to find the last node. For finding last node, we have to traverse the entire linked list. So n node we need to traverse. So order of n is the time complexity here. So the time complexity of deleting head node from circular linked list is actually not efficient as like it is not efficient like deleting a node from linear linked list, as we already have discussed about it. Now let us also find the time complexity of deleting other node, that is else part. If you want to enter else part, then definitely this if condition, yes, so 3 unit. This if condition should have been checked and evaluated to false to enter else. So this unit also have to be taken. So totally 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 minus 2, 7, 7 plus 2 again 9, 9 plus again 1, 10. So 10 unit, constant 10 unit. What's the n value? How many n you have? 1, 2, 3, 4 n. So it's 4 n plus 10. So coming to else part, it is T of n. It's T of n is equal to 4n. Okay, it's T of n is equal to 4n plus 10. It is 4n plus 10. From this equation, it is clearly seen that it is a linear equation. So the time complexity of deleting other than head node is also linear time taking event. Okay, so the next time complexity is time complexity of deleting other than head node in circular linked list. In circular linked list is order of n. Again, it's linear time taking solution. Okay, fine. Now let us speak about the space complexity of this deletion process. So coming to the space complexity, how many extra block that we have taken? 1 unit space, 2 unit space, 3 unit space. Then here it is, I think coming here to else part we have 2, right? So 3 plus 2 it is 5. So maximum of 5. 5 unit if you enter into else part. Only 4 unit if you enter into if part, because here only 1 extra pointer temp is taken. So maximum of 5 unit, which is a constant space. Only a maximum of 5 unit space is a constant space. So The space complexity of deleting a node in CLL is going to be order of 1, constant space. So space complexity of deleting a node in circular linked list, okay, of circular linked list is order of 1. That space, constant space. Okay, fine. So here in this video we have completely discussed the time and space complexity analysis of counting node in circular linked list, and also deleting both head node from a circular linked list, deleting other than head node in circular linked list. Also all these things have been completely discussed in and out, right? Fine. Thank you, students.